The tranquil town of Heilbron is the home of a highly successful animal feed mill business, Telwiedrè Voere. The idea for a mill here in the northeastern Free State came to Ters Pretorius in the late 90s, after he noticed just how much time it took to mix pig feed on his father's farm. A few years later, his dream became a reality. Before long, producers from all over the local district were bringing Telwiedre their own maize and receiving freshly produced feed in return. After years of hard work and meticulous market research, an opportunity was identified to build a production plant near Tromsburg in the southern Free State. Together with the Boerter family, a mini animal feed mill was built to meet the particular requirements of sheep farming. In 2014, the Van Zyl family built an ultra-modern world-standard feed plant in Boerterville. In conjunction with Telwiedre, this plant will be used to manufacture Telwiedre's top-quality products in the central and western regions of South Africa, in addition to distributing to these markets. These days, Telwiedre's world-renowned feed consultants are assisted by an expert team of marketers. The success of any feed mill rests on the sustained purchase of top-quality, cost-effective raw materials that have to be delivered to the mills at the right time. Since most of these materials are natural resources that can become scarce, not to mention expensive to haul, Telwiedre tries to produce as much of these macro raw materials itself or buys them from local producers. In this way, producers are seen as business partners. Before a delivery vehicle is allowed onto Telwiedre's premises, representative samples are taken from its cargo and analyzed in Telwiedre's own laboratory. Here, all raw materials and pre-mixed products are regularly tested to ensure they meet all required national and international quality standards. The three mills are all equipped with the latest NIR, or near-infrared scanners, which is calibrated weekly. A strict quality control system ensures that no undesired items, products or actions compromise the excellent reputation of this multi-species feed mill. If the particular raw materials meet Telwiedre's strict criteria, the vehicle enters the premises through a high-pressure biosecurity washer. All vehicles entering the premises must pass through this decontamination process. From here, each delivery vehicle proceeds to the weigh bridge, where each load is weighed. The feed mills use advanced computer technology to handle all feed orders, deliveries and invoicing. To avoid delivery errors, all orders are channeled through one central system. The premix room is the heart of the feed mill. Because premixes are such important components of the final product, they are only processed and mixed at the main mill in Heilbron, from where they're distributed to the other mills. Advanced computer systems also ensure that all the required premixes, medicaments and other additives are correctly weighed before the actual mixing process starts. By taking stock every day, mistakes are prevented and optimal production is ensured. The mixing of all feeds is completely controlled and monitored by a central computer system. Feeds are obtained from customers in the form of meal, pellets or high-protein concentrates. From there it is conveyed to the collection point for delivery. Telwiedre's 2-ton ribbon and pedal mixer perform outstandingly, achieving a mixing quotient of up to 98%. A BOA compactor is used to steam condition the feed, after which it is powerfully forced between two friction plates to initiate geneticizing for the pelleting process. The latest addition to Telwiedre's top processing equipment is a 25-ton-per-hour pelleting machine imported from Switzerland. It is, to date, the only pelleting machine of its kind with the lowest carbon footprint in Africa. The product manufactured by this equipment is of exceptional quality. Unrivaled software programs are put to use at the plant to ensure the pellet manufacturing process is conducted smoothly. Telwiedre's diverse range of mixed products for cattle, sheep, chickens, pigs and exotic wildlife can be delivered by its own transport company to customers' premises. Customers have the choice to receive their order in bulk consignment or in neat 50-kilogram bags. The mill maintains all vehicles through its own well-equipped workshop. Because the Free State features such diverse farming units, there's also a great demand for newly manufactured lick supplements in each region. This prompted Telwiedrè Voere to build a lick plant in 2010. This fully computerized plant is separated from the macro plant to avoid the risk of contamination. Telwiedrè Voere boasts possibly the most automated full-fat soy plant in South Africa. The cutting-edge technology used for the extrusion of soybeans and other grains was imported from the Netherlands. World-class software programs are also used here to optimize the extrusion process. Telwiedre's full range of feeds, which includes poultry, comprehensive pig feed products and more, is formulated with only one aim, namely the lowest feed conversion ratio or feed intake with the highest carcass weights. Dust samples are regularly sent for testing to ensure that both the factory and its mill remain free of salmonella. Regular independent controls further ensure the safety of delivered feed. A comprehensive fattening range is also manufactured by Telwiedrè Voere to meet the unique requirements of sheep and cattle in a feedlot and stud farm industries. The dairy range is targeted at lactating animals, young calves and replacement heifers. The latest addition to the product range is a balanced two-phase feeding program for the wildlife industry with its unrivaled diversity. Telwiedre's new targeted footer lick range is formulated for specific applications with fertility as its main consideration. The lick range consists of summer phosphate and background licks, production and protein licks, as well as specific sheep licks. Due to Telwiedrè Voere's phenomenal growth and successes over the past decade, this dynamic animal feed mill business is poised to keep meeting the unique requirements of producers in the central and western regions of South Africa.